How to use keyboard shortcuts on Google Drive. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can simply use keyboard shortcuts on Google Drive. So all you need to do is simply follow these simple steps. First of all, you're going to go into your Google and simply open up or log in into your Google Drive or G Drive. Once you're logged in into your G Drive, what you need to do is simply select any of the folders that you need to do, select them, and now what you need to do is, if you're on a PC, what you need to do is press the Control and the X command simultaneously. That would really push it forward. And if you're using a Mac, what you need to do is simply press the push and the X button simultaneously and hold it on for some time. And once you do that, now you're gonna go into the folder that you want the video or that file to be, and now you're gonna go press Control and the V. And if you're gonna go, you look at the window pane, you see at the bottom left it says that it is working. And now in the above left top corner at the left side, it says that Google Drive wants to see text and images copied to the clipboard. And once you press OK, you see that this file has been copied here. So this is basically how you operate with the keyboard shortcuts to do movements in Google Drive. And this is all it. And if you guys really want to know more about these shortcut commands and want to know more about these stuff, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Furthermore, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel. And if you have any query or question, just comment down below. Again, I would love to answer that too. With this being said, see you all in the next video. Take care. Peace till then.